Magandang hapon po ng March 23, 2026 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng March 23, 2026 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, March 23, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. The result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for March 23, 2026 Monday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for Monday, March 23, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for March 23, 2026 Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.